leaking?
Yeah.
Did you fill it right up?
Yeah, I fucking forgot.
Yeah, we gotta get this thing up to Chucky, bud.
Exactly what you said it's doing. What you said it's doing is exactly what he's doing.
So the lines that he cut that used to go to the fuel rail,
They're sucking fuel out now.
it's just pulling fumes out
They
from.
forgot to fucking either put a cap on it and it fell off, or they just forgot to. Then they said there's a plastic line on there. You can kink it and put a zip tie around it, and it'll solve my problem. Or you can take it up there.
See this guy? Nothing but problems, dude.
Nothing but problems.
Nothing but problems. Anyway.
Front end's tight.
Dude, don't make fun of me like that, bro. Alright, guys. So, this is what we're going to talk about here today.
This is what a shitbox.
The what? What'd you call it?
Here you go, folks. This is what a shitbox looks like.
I mean, kind of. This is just killing me right here. I can't stand this. Damn, it's so hot, dude. How hot is it out here right now?
90.
90? Alright. Let's get up in here real
Fister's
quick.
machine said it was 95 up there.
The what?
Fister's machine said it was 95.
Dude, that guy's drunk. Alright, so this is what we're going to talk about here. And I don't understand this. Like, when you go online, if you look at this, they tell you it's a CCV filter delete. You're not deleting the CCV filter. I don't understand why they haven't named that.
No,
maybe.
it's CCV filter delete.
Right, but what do you...
You're deleting.
You're
and putting
deleting
a
the
filter.
tube is what you're deleting.
Yeah, you're putting a filter on it. That's
So-
exactly what it is.
This is super easy to install. It's cheap as shit, too. It was like $15 for this one. I don't know what brand this is or whatever, but Osias, whatever it is. It was $15. I don't care how much it is. A filter's a filter. The tube's a tube. And basically all it does is...
No.
What?
It's blue. It gives you more horsepower.
Oh, I forgot, dude. Wait, so what is black? How much horsepower is that?
Oh, that actually takes horsepower away.
What?
Yeah.
Is that why this thing's so damn slow? CCV filter, it's your closed crankcase ventilation system, and I don't think it's a good design to just let all your oil vapors come back into your intake tube, because all it's going to do is just fill up your intake. It's going to oil residue inside the turbo. It's going to fill your intercooler pipes. It's going to fill all that stuff with just oil vapor. So $15, get this thing. I guess for people that don't understand what
You can go to fucking AutoZone and buy it.
what this is or what it does. Like I said, all it does is it's just designed for your intake to pull all the oil vapors from the motor, and it just gets consumed by the engine again.
Crankcase vent.
I guess really the only way to really test this, that things like works as good as they say it does,
That's all.
is for someone like this, high miles, put it on there, take off your intercooler, take all your intercooler pipes off, take your boots off, see how oily it is, then put this on. And if you ever got to do any maintenance or something down the line, take them back off again and see if it really stopped any of it. But if you look at Bean's truck over here, it's a perfect example of, I guess, would this be considered excessive blow-by, or is it not? Is that normal?
I mean, I don't know. I see people with brand new trucks that have this. Then you got people without. I don't know.
All right, we'll start her up and we'll show them what. Here, actually pop the hood real quick.
Okay.
I mean, and then again, you are talking about two totally different trucks, two different size motors, two totally different designs. But
One pisses fuel, one doesn't.
one pisses fuel, one doesn't. One drives straight, one doesn't.
To each is their own.
But it is what it is. Let's see here. Where's yours at now? Yeah, it's up in there. His is oh shit, it's hot. It's kind of hard to see,
It's a big ass tube right there.
but basically he's got a plug on the end of the intake right there. When he did the turbo and injectors and all that stuff, they ran this big ass freaking pipe, big hose, comes off the valve cover right there, and they ran it down underneath this truck, and it just basically hangs out up in here somewhere. But all right, let's start her up, see what it does.
Okay.
Me personally, I don't like what they did with his, just because you can see it so damn much. And I mean, I guess it's good for the motor, but like when you're driving and you stop at a stoplight, you can see it like crazy. I mean, it's just pouring right out of the truck. So I mean, you can see how much it's already coming out right there. I guess it's kind of good because it keeps the U-joints in the drive shaft lubed up, but
That's what I like about the other stuff.
I mean, just sitting here, you can see it coming out. I mean, he's got it, coming out of the dipstick and everything. So.
Classic.
But they, like he said, I mean, there's brand new trucks. There's brand new 6.7s that have that much blow-by already. So I don't really know if that's excessive blow-by. But what we're gonna do to try and test this whole CCV thing out is we're going to put one on his and get that tube out of there and then see what the difference is in it. Wow, buddy, look at that big trail you got going on.
Yeah, it goes over there. It goes that way.
But
you go that way and you pull out of the parking lot, you go back to the fuel station that's back there. So.
Oh yeah, you can see right where you filled up, bud. That's gone. But anyway, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys. I put this on a long time ago. We put this on in the shop like, how long ago? Fucking months ago. Sorry, I'm sweating. It's hot. Ugh.
Yeah, we don't have AC on the outside.
Yeah, isn't that stupid? They don't put air conditioners in the world, like in trees or something. They should put them out there.
That's what trees should be used for instead of oxygen.
Oh boy. We threw custom offset sticker up top there. You know, got her up, got her wrap.
Backflip this?
Backflip what?
Down into that ravine.
Let me see. All right.
This is deep as hell.
Dude, hell yeah. All right, you guys got to put in the comments below if you think that Big Hoss here can do a triple backflip 360 McTwist down this thing. I think you could do it, dude. Do a little running start real quick. See if you think you could even do it.
No. 100 likes.
100 likes and you'll do it?
And I'll fucking salmon. I'll silly salmon down that hill.
No, dude. 100. Dude, you guys hear that? 100 likes and he's in a silly salmon down that. I love it. Go check out the Instagram page. I don't know. Nothing. We didn't do anything else to this thing other than that. Oh yeah.
I got them.
Well, I showed them in the headlight video.
Ones tomorrow.
What did you get?
Dems.
What's them's?
Them fucking Venoms.
You got the Venoms too?
Well, see, what happened was I had them first, but.
All right, yeah.
To each is their own.
All right, yeah. We can't. I can't lie here, guys. I stole his tire idea. I got mine in first because he had the idea of getting them, but ordered them after. But I just pulled the trigger first.
Well, no.
You ordered them like a week after I did.
I ordered them, but mine were on back order.
Yeah, his were on back order. So,
the size I want.
All right. So what do you got here? You got 24 by 14s.
Yep.
On 37 by 1350s or 1450s right now.
1350.
1350s. So this guy ordered. What did you order?
33 1350.
Dude, you're gonna have like that much tire, dude. That's gonna be insane.
Yeah, it's gonna be pimping.
But he'll at least be able to turn because right now he's just like.
I'm blowing the shit out of my fender.
Yeah, just destroying it.
Look at the other side. It's like literally bending it in. I think I can turn
Yeah.
it more each day.
I mean,
It's literally folding it in.
for anyone that's wondering, no, you can't run 37s on 14 wides on a leveling kit. It's not gonna work.
No, you can. Yeah, I got one full rotation of the steering wheel. That's it.
One full rotation.
Yep.
I don't think we did anything else to this other than the headlights, did we? No. The trans shift's smooth.
Well,
Let's see if there's any.
high miles.
Yeah, I got something going on. We'll tell you about that. Let's see here. We got the deep pan. I know it's the deep pan. Nothing's leaking, so that's good. Trans is still shifting smooth. I got something going on in this front end right now, and I don't know what the hell it is. So I'm gonna jack it up when I get home.
What do you have to fuel stations like? Is that a diesel?
No.
Like, no, but it's a Prius. Can't you hear it running? Fuck you mean?
No,
yeah?
I'm putting diesel in a gasser right now, dude. What are you talking about? Well, that's that. My phone shut off, and I'm using my phone because I didn't bring my GoPro with me. It's way too hot out. My phone shut off because it's just too hot out. But he tried parking his truck up on the curb, trying to maybe get an air pocket out or something. It stopped leaking, so we'll mess with that later. But anywho, you guys know the drill. Thanks for watching. You guys gotta go check out Buddy's on Instagram page.
Yeah, Project Gracie.
Instagram, Project Gracie.
I think it's underscore actually. But...
Underscore. We'll put a link in the description below. Remember, as always, you don't have to, but you can like, comment, subscribe. You can do it. You don't have to. I'm not telling you what to do. I don't want to tell you how to live your life. What is it?
Project underscore Gracie.
Project underscore Gracie. We're gonna do. These are the two trucks you guys will see on the channel, probably the most for a long time. Obviously, this guy can't get away from that truck. He parked it and tore it all apart. Did some stuff to it. Now it's back driving. Bomb pops, just chilling, hanging out. That's for sale, right?
Anybody wants to buy it, $4 grand.
If anybody wants to buy that red and blue Power Stroke, it's got no trans in it, but he wants $4 grand for it.
I can get you one.
He can get you a trans cheap too. So let us know. Comment below. Do your thing. Thanks for watching.
Do your thing.